bagong mga artists na deserving na nandito ngayon at excited to walk in sa mga susunod pang Wish Music Awards.
And if you have a message po sa lahat ng inyong fans and all the wishers na pumatay po ngayon sa ating event, ano po masasabi po?
Siguro po sa lahat, maraming salamat po. Kasi isa kayo sa dahilan kung bakit lalong lumalago o namumulaklak yung music ng Filipino. So maraming salamat sa inyo at sana talagang let's keep supporting.
And talking about OPM, if you can describe OPM in one word, what would it be?
Collective po ba?
You can answer one by one.
Ako po, puso.
Evolving. I think, strong. Growing strong.
Thank you so much po and we're happy na part kayo ng 10th Wish Music Awards. Sana mag-enjoy po kayo.
Thank you. Happy to have you.
Yes, thank you so much po.
Salamat po. Thank you. Ikaw, Justin.
Siguro po talaga yung performance din syempre ng mga artists na mag-perform. Every year, especially the first year namin, super na-amaze kami the first time we saw different artists na mag-perform on stage. So, nakaka-excite this year.
Lagi kayong part ng mga event ng Wish 175, ano pakiramdam?
We're always happy. Naiisip talaga nila kami lagi. And as an artist din po na gusto rin i-share yung aming musika, yung boses namin of course. We're very happy din to share yung vision ng group namin and kung ano pa po yung mga upcoming projects namin na supported and supportive din po sila po. So we're very happy na lagi po kami part of the vision and to be supported by them, super honored and push.
May plano ba na magkakanya-kanya ng mga songs ang bawat member?
Minsan po nag-usap po kami talaga na solo, pero ngayon po, we're planning for comeback. Abangan, syempre, as a group, matagal na po namin siya pinaplano. Nung itong mga nakaraan po medyo konting ano lang kami dahil nung delay sa mga kanya-kanya pong ginagawa, commitments. Pero this year po, we promise to have a stronger
Your message to your fans?
Siyempre po sa lahat ng walang sawa sa support sa amin. Maraming salamat. Alam niyo na, we're very thankful. But this year, ito na yung pinaka-hinihintay na our biggest. Let's go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po. Salamat.
Picture lang kami sa inyo.
Okay po.
Yes, sir. Alright, thank you.
Salamat po. Thank you po.
Media po ang nag-interview. Okay po. Sige.
Alright, questions lang. Ano ka talaga sa inyo yung opportunity na binigay ng Wish when you were just starting your career? And for yung mga artists din, they're starting, especially time hindi pa naman ganun ka-rapid yung stage. Yun lang, and right now.
For us po, napakalaking opportunity po natin binigay sa Philippine artists. Kasi we know na sa panahon po talaga now and before, it's hard for an artist to share sa platform ng music or kahit nga po yung pakilala na kasi artist napakahirap na po before. And with Wish na talagang tinutulungan nila kahit yung mga well-known artists, kahit yung mga bagong singer artists, sa platform nila na Wish Plus pa lang, napakagandang opportunity na po yun to share yung skill, yung song, yung sound ng mismong artist, and yung personality. Napakalaking bagay po. And nakikita namin na hindi lang yun yung vision niya yung Wish. Marami pa silang plans for the next years na darating. So sana supportahan din natin si Wish yung mga bagay na ganun para mas marami pang artist na makilala.
Anyone want to add?
One example is the Wish Plus. In which, before we start as SB19, marami kami nakikilala mga sa Wish Plus. And kami mismo, hiniling namin na mag-perform sa Wish Plus. And for sure, our performance sa Wish because marami siyang na-inspire na tao, maraming pakinig na bagong tao sa ating music. So, thank you so much for this. And this kind of event, awards ko, makes it very special for the artist and the song itself na mapangarangalan. So, we're very thankful for this kind of mga activities.
Last question na lang. I'm sure marami kayong mga awards na pero like every year, pag tumatanggap kayo, the experience is different. Parang siguro, in the very first time ngayon, na siguro may mga nami-impress kayong artist na, uy, idol ko sa'yo, as compared to first year ko, syempre nakasama ko. How does it feel na very different?
It's more than the experience. I feel like the vision is different from the beginning. Parang before inisip namin, paano kami sisimulan. But from the get-go, syempre, we already have this vision na gusto talaga namin makatulong, makaambag syempre sa industry, sa P-pop, sa OPM, at sa lahat na nangyayari sa K-pop. So, kapag yung vision ko na yun, talaga mas tumitibay, mas lumalakas. So, siguro, nag-iiba na. Gusto na namin baguhin ang mundo rather than just ourselves.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm sorry.
Maraming
Sorry
salamat
po,
maraming
kailangan
salamat.
na po kayo ni Direk.
Thank you.
Nauna po.
Yes, thank you.
Salamat po.
Thank you po. Sorry po ha. Kailangan po.
Read the question and
Okay.
then one answer.
Guys, closer.
Wala pa. Okay, ready? And 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay. What if every wish was earned you one wish? What would you wish for right now? Mahirap. Sige, ikaw, anything na naisip mo? I just wish for the stability and of course the entire OPM to be stronger and mas marami pa tayo marating ng sama-sama at syempre marami tayong mas ma-inspire na.
Let's go. At siguro lang, makilala yung Filipino music all over the world.
Eh, sana mas ma-appreciate pa natin lahat ng klase ng musikero. Hindi man yan over yun. Then sana lahat supportahan natin. Wala kung po tayo mamili. Sana yun. Alright guys. Salamat.
Ano po to?
Okay na po.
Thank you po.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.